Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Keroppi and Dress to Impress for free without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Keroppi looks will be like this, and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit. Okay, the first one guys, for the hat, you can select this fur hat and you're going to color it with this color. This is for the color code, and then I'm going to show you the adjustment. Okay, you can copy my adjustment. This is for the position, rotate, and scale. And the next one, to create the hat, you're going to use this hat and again color it with this green color and follow my adjustment for the scale, rotate, and position. Okay, now it's done. And for the eyes, you're going to choose this eye mask and you're going to color it white for the second and also the first selection. Okay, and then you're going to choose on hat toggle, and this is for the adjustment. You can follow my adjustment for the position, rotate, and scale. Okay, and again for the eyes, still for the eyes, you're going to select this ear warmer and you're going to color it with this green color for the first selection and color it black for the second selection. And for the adjustment, scale, rotate, and position. Okay, and to create the mouth, you're going to select this Kobo hat. Okay, you can choose the toggle one, and then for the adjustment, position, rotate, and scale, and you're going to color it with the black color. All right, and for the blush, you're going to color it with this pink color, and this is for the adjustment, scale, rotate, and position. Okay, and then after you create the Keroppi hat, you're going to put on the other items such as this bow. You're going to color it black, and for the toggle, you can choose toggle 3. Okay, and then you're going to select this hoodie as well. Choose the only sleeves, and you're going to color it with this green color. And then for this skirt, you're going to color it with this color. Oops, sorry, this color. For the first and second selection, you can apply this pattern. Sorry, you can apply this pattern. And for the third selection, you're going to color it with this black color. And then this one, but choose the skirt only. And you're going to apply this pattern. And then for this shoe, you're going to color it with this green color for all the selections. Okay, and then I think I have already mentioned all the items I selected. And okay guys, that's all the way to create Keroppi and Dress to Impress for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.